Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing not one, not two, not three, not even four. Just okay. We've got a lot of products here. I went to Ulta online and searched for the top rated makeup that was all under $10. So this is what I came up with. Not all of these products are necessarily new, but they're all new to me, so it's going to be a bunch of first impressions, which I'm really excited about. So if you haven't subscribed already, you really should. Just do it, and give this video a thumbs up while you're at it. Alright, let's do this. I first went in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Instant Line Smoother. It has an interesting applicator for a face primer, but I just applied it like I would concealer. I'm not too sure how I feel about this primer. It gave my skin a little bit of like a dullness, and it doesn't seem like it's very good for dry skin, but I will definitely try it out a few more times and let you guys know how I feel. Next I went with the LA Girl Pro Filter HD foundation, and I really wasn't expecting too much from this foundation. I've tried the Makeup Forever HD foundation before and I've been really unimpressed. It just did not sit on my skin properly, so that's how I was expecting this one to perform. Apart from it being the totally wrong color for me, I really was impressed. It wasn't overly drying, even with that very drying primer on underneath. I thought it performed really well, so I definitely want to try it out a few more times. Then I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This product isn't new to me, but it is one of the top rated concealers at Ulta. So I threw it in there because I wasn't feeling like spending another $10 on a product that I already owned. Same kind of story with the Better Bronzer. The Physician Formulas bronzers are the top rated bronzers at Ulta, so even though this cost $15, I was feeling cheap, so I decided to just use one that I already know, love, and own. Then I picked up the Burt's Bees blush in Shy Pink, and dear God, this blush is pigmented. Not my cup of tea, honestly. Of all the things that I got from this haul, this is my least favorite, and I don't think I'll ever be using this again. I'll probably donate it or something. Then I grabbed the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator. This thing is massive, like the size of my face. I couldn't believe it. The formula is beautiful. I mean, look at that glow. It's really like a blinding highlight, but I'm not opposed to it. I really like this. I didn't pick up an eyelid primer because, you know, cheap. So I just put the face primer on my eyes to prep and prime for the eyeshadow. Then I grabbed the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. I need to just come to terms with the fact that my eyebrows are black, but I don't know if I ever will. This formula was a little bit red for me, and I didn't really love how creamy it was, but I mean, it did the job. Then I came across the Shaaanxo eyeshadow and lip palette. I don't really know what the story is with this palette, but it was only $7.30. Like, that's so cheap for 9 lip colors and 9 eyeshadows. It was a collaboration with BH Cosmetics. I've never tried any of the BH Cosmetics stuff. I wasn't overly impressed with the swatches though. Mattes blended out beautifully. They were really gorgeous. The only problem is there's only 3 of them in the palette. I wouldn't even consider the darkest shade to be a matte. It had a little bit of a shimmer reflect. So you're given a lot of shimmers and not many options to do with it. It's kind of the same problem that I had with the Pat McGrath palettes. I wanted to test out this duochrome shade. It's like a maroon that has a slight teal reflect, but that didn't convey at all when I picked it up with my finger. So I tried with a damp brush and it caused so much fallout and just a chunky mess. So I wasn't overly impressed with this particular shadow. All the rest of the shadows in the palette perform nicely. It's just this one that was a little difficult. Then I picked up the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Let me tell you, this thing dries down so matte. I was honestly floored. I didn't really get a chance to test it for wearability, like if it was cracking up at all after wearing it for a while, but I definitely will be testing that out over the next couple weeks and I'll let you guys know what I think. Then I was excited to have a reason to pick this up. It's the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. Jamie Page is always recommending this as like her favorite mascara, and I was so disappointed in it. I feel so bad. It's just so watery. It takes forever to dry down. It's just not my type of formula, and the brush isn't up my alley. But anyways, these are Ardell lashes in Wispies, and I applied it with the Duo Lash Glue. Then I used the NYX Slide On Lip Pencil in Summer Tease to line my lips. My last product is by Note Cosmetics. It's the Mattemoist Lip Gloss in Jolly. I was so intrigued by this name. Matte lip gloss seems like an oxymoron to me, but it's really just like the velvet lip glides or the velvet liquid lipsticks that we've been seeing coming out all over the market. Just a different name, so good marketing on their part. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!